Hey Jupiter Eagles, so for this week's art lesson, we are going to be making some gumball machines. We're not only going to be drawing our gumball machines, but we're also going to be coloring with value. That goes from dark, medium to light, okay? All right, so for this project, you're going to need a pencil. You're going to need something to color with, and you're going to need a piece of paper. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paper and you're gonna start out by making the gumball machine. There we go. So you're gonna take your pencil. I'm gonna use Sharpie just so you can see it. And you're gonna make a circle, a pretty big circle in your paper. When you're done, you're going to add a little loop up top. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to make a line going down this way and a line going down that way. You may add a line that curves below. And then you're going to add a box on the bottom. In the box, I'm going to have you draw a circle, a long skinny rectangle, and a little square on the bottom. If you want to put how much your gumballs cost, I'm going to put 25 cents. You can make your gumball cost anything you want. All right, after that, you're going to add some gumball circles. So you can make them, I would suggest making them a little bit bigger. That'll be easier for you to color. I'm gonna make gumballs that take up almost halfway up my little circle here. If you want to add more gumballs, that's totally up to you. When you're finished, you may start coloring. My suggestion is to start with the gumballs, and I'm going to actually do a little close-up of how I expect the gumballs to be colored, okay? So listen, when you're coloring the gumballs, we're going to color with value. That means light, medium, and dark. You're going to start out nice and light. I'm coloring red. See how light my red is? And then on the sides, I'm going to have you make it a little bit darker. Okay, do you see what I have right here? All right, I'm going to try doing that with one more color. I'm going to try blue. I'm going to try this one over here. So I'm going to color nice and light. That's my first step. And then nice and dark on the edge. Do you see what I just did? Okay, so I'm going to point out a couple of things about my final copy here. So do you see how my gumballs I colored with value? Over here, I did light in the center, dark on the edge. I added a little bit of a shadow around the outside. I went from dark on the edge and light in the center here. I did the same thing down here. I colored my background. I did light blue and I did dark on the edge and light in the center. Okay, this is gonna make our artwork look more realistic as well. Now you may change your colors for your gumballs. It could be any color you want. You wanna change, you don't wanna do red down here, change it to a different color, that's fine. The background could be any colors that you want. It's totally up to you, okay? I'm gonna put a picture of the final copy as well as some student examples in the Google Classroom. Okay, my friends, so when you're finished, you can try to send me a photo on my email if you'd like. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. If you have any questions, just let me know. But again, take your time, draw lightly. If you have to restart, just flip over your paper or just erase what you have. And try to think about value, dark on the edge, light in the center, okay? All right, I hope you guys all have fun with your gumballs, and I will see you next week.